Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Maths. This is question number 2 from mock set 4 mechanics. 1 is already discussed. So over here we have acceleration in terms of t. Definitely we need to integrate that to get some other things. We know at t equals 0, the position vector is given to us. We discussed many times, this is r0, right? Now initial velocity is given to us. We have to find out the velocity at t seconds. Okay, so for that velocity at t seconds, what we need to do, we are going to be integrating a to find out v, right? Which is going to be, okay, what is integration? Let me just quickly let's quickly do the integration. 1 minus 3t, though you all would be knowing this very well. If we integrate this, we're going to be getting t minus 3t squared over 2, right? So we're going to be writing it here, t minus 3 over 2t squared I, and for j, if we integrate that, 2t squared minus 2t, if we integrate this, what we're going to be getting, it would be 2t, 2 plus 1, 3, and dividing by 3, minus 2, here 1 plus 1, 2, t squared, and dividing by that. So it would be cancelled and we're going to be getting, can we write 2/3 of t cubed minus t squared, j plus c. Okay, we need to find out the value of c. So can we say that at t equals 0, v is 3i minus 2j. So we are going to be substituting these two values. So it would be 3i minus 2j, which is equal to this value. I mean, we have to substitute 0 there. So I feel like it would be 0i plus 0j plus c. The value of c is basically nothing but 3i minus 2j. And I know you would have done it, faster than me because it's quite direct. So now we are going to be substituting the value of c there. What it gives, so it's going to be giving us velocity, which is t minus 3/2 of t squared I plus 2/3 t cubed minus t squared j plus 3i minus 2j. Correct? Now I we can simplify it more. So it would be t minus 3 over 2 t squared plus 3i plus 2/3 of t cubed minus t squared minus 2j. This is what the velocity, the first answer is. This is what we have got, the first answer. Now the next one, find the position vector. We have to find the position vector of p relative to O when acceleration is parallel to minus I minus j. Okay. So for B part, what is given to us? Acceleration is parallel to minus I minus j. And what the acceleration is? This is what the acceleration is. So I'm going to be writing A is 1 minus 3ti plus 2t squared minus 2t squared minus 2t j. So this is acceleration and it is parallel to that a particular vector. Now what we can do, because it's parallel, we are going to be equating I vector. Can we say that 1 minus I component of acceleration, 1 minus 3t over j component, 2t squared minus 2t is equal to minus 1 over minus 1 for that vector. If we cross multiply, we're going to be getting 1 minus 3t. Negative 1 could be written as 1 over 1 only. if you multiply, it's going to be giving us 2t squared minus 2t. So the need to add relation, whether it's parallel, perpendicular, these things, is to let us find out the value of t, which is going to be needed, which is actually needed to find the position vector. Okay, so if we simplify it more, we're going to be getting 2t squared plus t minus 1 equals 0. I think it's going to be 2t minus 1 and t plus 1 equals 0. So we will be getting t is minus 1 and a half. So obviously minus 1 would not be accepted. A half is the answer. So yes, half is the answer. But we need to find out position vector. Position vector, and we can see the object is moving with acceleration. So for this one, which particular formula do we use? Position vector would be r equals r naught plus ut plus half at squared, right? This is when the object is accelerating, and r equals r naught plus ut or vt, whatever you say, that would be when acceleration is 0. That means the object is moving with constant velocity. So we're going to be using this formula, but for that, what we need to know r naught, which is given in the question. And this thing is nothing but, if you use SWAT, can we say r equals r naught plus s? So we actually are not having s. Now you have to, r naught we have, but we don't have s. You have to think of how to find out s. And I'm sure you would be getting the thoughts, right? So acceleration, if you integrate acceleration, you're going to be getting velocity. If you integrate velocity, you will get s, right? So this is what we have to do. So whatever the v is, we have over here, I will just copy this, and we need to integrate it again to find out the value of s. Okay, let's keep it here and integrate that. Integrating a v will give us s. So let's integrate the value. It's going to be giving us t squared minus 3 over 2. It would be t squared, so it would be cubed times 3 plus 3t I plus 2/3 of t to the power 4 over 4. Did I make a mistake? It would be t squared over 2. T squared over 2 minus 2/3 of t cubed over 3 plus 3t, that is okay, and minus t cubed over 3 minus 2t j, right? Let's check it back, not to make any mistake. So t is t1 plus 1. T is t squared over 2 minus t cubed over 3 over 6 plus 3t, 2/3 t to the power 4 over 1 quarters, and t squared would be t cubed over 3 minus 2t. And I feel like signs are okay because I just have copied minus 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 minus. Yeah, that is fine. Now what we need to do, we need to substitute. Let's substitute t equals half. So if we substitute t half, s is going to be, shall we use our calculator now? I'm going to be using my calculator to find out t half, t squared half. Okay. The I value I'm getting, it is giving us 25 over 16i, and j value, okay, are we getting minus 33 over 32j. I mean, this is written 3 only, but 32j. This is s. What we need to do, we just need to plug all the values here in this equation, and that would be our answer. So let's do that in the white space here. R equals R naught. What's the value of R naught? Was 1 I plus j. Okay, R naught was I plus j plus 25 over 16. I just missed c. The c would be there, we can ignore that. 25 over 16 I minus 33 over 32j. So if we simplify, so it would be I plus 25 over 16i would give us 16 plus 25, 41 over 16i, and 1 minus 33 over 32. So minus 1 over 32j. This would be our final answer. So yeah, hope that makes sense. If I have answer, let me check. Okay, so the first one was t minus 3/2 of t squared plus 3 2/3 of t cubed minus t squared minus 2 is correct. The second one, 41 over 16 minus 1 over 32. Yeah, that is fine. Perfect. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.